Well, what's been happening? Well, not a great deal, to be honest. Apart from the rain. There's been an awful lot of rain happening. And the colour has washed out of my gloves now, so my hands are back to being white. As for this thing, he says, yeah, there's not a lot going on with the bus. We've been making some bits shiny. Try and keep some of the heat where it belongs, down there in the engine bay. I've also beaten the living crap out of the engine covers again so that they do seal now when we close the engine. And that thing down there with all the tubes on it, that's the industrial sized heat exchanger for the aircon, which has never ever worked. No matter how much money I've thrown at it. It works for 5 minutes and then it stops again. Never found a leak. Well, I did. Well, I say I've paid everybody to check it out and they've never found a leak. Well, I found a leak within about 3 minutes. There was a bolt loose on one of the unions. So I've tightened that up now. And the other problem we had is it had a secondary heat exchanger mounted under the back of the bus, which fed the aircon unit, which used to be up in the roof. Well, that lot is over there, because I kept bashing my head on it every time I put a bike in the back. So that came out. What I didn't realise was they had this secondary. You make a bit more noise while I'm trying to make a video, thank you. They had this secondary heat exchanger, which weighs about 10 kilo, I reckon. At least 8 kilo. That thing was under the bus. Well, all the pipework was still connected to it. So basically, it was compressing the gas and then sending it to the back around this thing where it would warm up and turn back into a gas again, and it wouldn't actually cool anything down. So this lot here was basically all underneath the bus doing absolutely naff all. Well, it ain't under the bus no more. And we rode down the engineer's shop the other day because they had a problem with the crankshaft. I found out what the problem was. The block is bent. So now they're a line boring the bloody block out. That's going to cost me a fortune. So that's about it really. Update in a nutshell. Except I've just told her to get her new shoes on. We're going up a mountain. Later.